Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to calculate attendance in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So I've got this spreadsheet here with the student's name in first column and days across the top. Now, for each day, I've marked P for present and A for absent. Now, I want to calculate the total number of days each student was present. To do that, click on the empty cell at the end of the first student's row. So this is the first student row. This is the empty cell. I've named this column total present. Now, if I would want to calculate how much days this student was present, I will simply select this empty cell after the row and type in equal to Countif. Now, I will open a bracket, then select all the cells across the row that contains the attendant marks. For example, it starts from B2. So I will select B2 or simply type in B2, then type in a colon. Now, I will enter the last cell, that is G2. Put in a comma, type P in the quotes because I've marked P for present, close the bracket and hit enter. So the formula will look something like this, and after you hit enter, it counts every cell in that row that has P in it, giving you the total days present for that student. Now, what you can do is select this, place your cursor at the bottom right of this and drag it till the bottom. So, grab the fill handle at the bottom right corner of that cell and drag it down to fill in the same formula for every student. Google Sheets adjusts the formula automatically for each row. Also, if you want to calculate the attendance percentage, we are going to simply select the empty cell next to the result we got. So I will place my cursor here and type in equal to. Now, I will select the total present day for this specific student. In my case, it's H2. Now, place a divide sign and divide this result by total number of days present. Hit enter and you will get the percentage for that specific student. Now, you can select the bar handle, drag it down, and Google Sheets will automatically calculate the percentage for each student. Now, if you don't see the percent symbol here, what you can simply do is select this column, navigate to format, navigate to numbers, and click percent. And you will see the percentage symbol after your result. So this will help you sort the data better. Also, you can select this column and click the decrease decimal icon. This will make it look even better. So that's how you calculate attendance in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.